No organization can make the transition to predictive maintenance by itself. But the current incentives within the connected business models are not always stimulating this transition. In these knowledge products, we do two things. First, we offer to qualitatively map the connected business model for your organization. How are you working together with other partners? How is the value being created? And most importantly, how is being captured? This leads to a good understanding of the current connected business model, but is mainly meant for jointly designing your desired connected business model of the future.
Secondly, we offer to quantify the operations and value streams within the collaboration with a tailored simulation. The purpose of the simulation is first to generate insights into the effect of changes to the business model, but also to facilitate the discussion between the stakeholders about what agreements are desired. So this knowledge product consists of an overview of connected business model designs that stimulate in a transition, the collaborative transition, to predictive maintenance. And will also include insight into which of these business models is optimal. After the overview and models have been developed, we'd like to validate the knowledge product at the Living Labs. For us, the validation is mainly focused on answering two questions. Are the overview and the models complete, and are they useful? For you, this session can provide insights for your conversations with your clients and with your partners.
Validation can be done in two ways. First, we can organize 1 or 2 sessions to deep dive with your organization into your connected business model, or we can organize a session with similar type of organizations, with asset owners, service providers and or OEMs, to look together at the connected business models from the perspective of this whole group.